Today, I'm going to try something I've never done before. I'm going to be burping into a pillow. Let's see how muffled they sound. Didn't really smell. Let's double up the pillow and make it double as thick, and let's see what it sounds like. Next, I'm going to do a closed mouth burp, burping into the pillow. Ew. This pillow's gonna stink, and it's my pillow. I should have used someone else's pillow. Let me know what you want to see me burp into next. I want to make this a short little series on my YouTube channel, so let me know what next. And it has to be appropriate for YouTube. If you want something that's a little more X-rated, you can go over to my OnlyFans. Love ya.